Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Versace on the floor. So a while back, I was casually seeing people. Nothing serious, just late night convos. A little flirting here and there. One night, I matched with this woman on a dating app. She had no clear face picture, just lips, legs, a blurry mirror shot. But her vibe? Mature, witty, mysterious. I was curious. Let's call her M. She kept things spicy. We chatted for weeks, talked about life, love, regrets. Then things got flirty. She said she liked younger guys. I said I liked confident women. It escalated fast. One night, she said, "Come over, let's stop playing games." Now, here's the dumb part. I did not ask for a full picture, real name, or anything. Just dropped the address, and I pulled up. Nerves everywhere. She opened the door. Dim lights, silk robe, wine in hand. She looked familiar, but I chalked it up to nerves. We sat, drank, talked. One thing led to another. And yeah, it happened. Next morning, I'm putting my shoes on, and I glance at a photo on the shelf. My heart stopped. It was her, standing next to someone I knew too well. My best friend, Jay. I whispered, "Wait, no, 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 no." I asked, panicked, "Is your son's name Jay?" She smiled casually. "Yeah, you know him?" I almost passed out. I left the house like I just saw a ghost. For a whole week, I avoided Jay. Then he hit me up saying, "Bro, why haven't you come over? My mom said someone who looked like you dropped her wine glass." I blocked her. I blocked the app. I reevaluated life.